Geography is an interesting subject. It deals with all natural resources, agricultural crops and economic commodities. Spatial distribution of crops and commodities is a part of geographic studies. An understanding of the details of crops or commodities is a basic need of geography students. Hence, in this class we are going to see the classified commodities. Commodity is a commonly used word. We use it to denote all the goods which we purchase and use directly or indirectly. The term commodity also refers to a class of goods which are in continuous demand across a market. Commodity is a kingdom of its own. It includes a lot of materials, both natural and artificial. Many of the artificial materials are processed from natural raw materials. Every commodity has a set of characteristics and economic value. Each commodity is sold in the wholesale market or retail market for a price. Their market value may fluctuate within a country or across the globe. For example, the price of copper or gold is universal. It fluctuates every day based on the global supply and demand. Most of the materials for commodities are derived from the basic natural resources of a country. These resources are geographically distributed and attributed to the markets. Some are agricultural products, some are industrial products, and some are extracted from the ores which are obtained through mining. Some are finished products and some are recycled products also. There are thousands of commodities used by people all over the world. In India, a basket of 435 commodities are considered as the base for economic calculations. They are belonging to the wholesale price index list of the government. These commodities range from food items like rice, wheat to petroleum products to medicines. The 435 commodities are divided into various groups and subgroups. On a broader level, the 435 commodities are grouped into three major categories as primary articles, fuel, power, light and lubricants, and manufactured products. The primary articles consist of food grains, fruits and vegetables, milk, eggs, meat and fishes, condiments and spices, fibers, oil seeds and minerals. The fuel, power, light and lubricants consists of coal and petroleum related products, lubricants, electricity and others. The manufactured products consist of dairy products, atta, biscuits, edible oils, liquors, cloth, toothpaste, batteries, automobiles and other materials. For geographic analysis, a basic understanding of the entire list of commodities considered for commerce and trade is needed. The objectives of learning this lesson are to know about the following commodities and articles: primary food articles, minerals, metals and fuels, food and other products, manufactured products and machinery products. Let us see the first part, primary food articles. The primary articles include a major group of commodities. These are very essential requirements for all human and animal life. These include three categories as food articles and other food articles and non-food articles. Let us see the primary food articles. The primary food articles include food grains, fruits and vegetables, milk, eggs, meat and fish, condiments and spices, other food articles, non-food articles, oil seeds, other non-food articles and flowers. The commodities included under these groups are to be seen separately. Let us see them one by one. The first one is the food grains. The food grains includes both cereals and pulses. The cereals include rice, wheat, jowar, bajra, maize, barley and ragi. The pulses include grams, arhars, moong dals, masoor dals and urad dals. Let us see the vegetables and fruits. Vegetables here includes potatoes, sweet potatoes, onions, tapioca, ginger, green peas, tomatoes, cauliflower, brinjal, okra and cabbage. The fruits include banana, mangoes, apples, oranges, cashew nuts, coconut, papaya, grapes, pineapple, guava, lychee and sapota. The third one is the milk products or milk. It includes only milk and milk products. The fourth one is the egg, meats and fish. Under the category of egg, meat and fish, we have eggs, marine fish, inland fish, mutton, beef and buffalo meat, poultry chicken and pork. The next category belongs to condiments and spices. The condiments and spices include black pepper, dry chilies, turmeric, cardamoms, ginger, betel nuts, cumin seeds, garlic and coriander. The other food articles include tea and coffee. The non-food articles include fibers, oil seeds and other non-food articles also. Under the category of fibers, we have raw cotton, raw jute, raw wool, raw silk and coir fiber. Under the category of oil seeds, we have groundnut seeds, rape seeds, mustard seeds, cotton seeds, copra, gingile seeds, linseeds, castor seeds, niger seeds, safflowers, sunflowers and soya beans. Under the other non-food articles, we have raw hides, raw skins, sugarcane, tobacco, raw rubber, logs, timber and fodder. In this we do have the products of flowers and also the flowers. Under the category of flowers, we have rose, jasmine and marigold. Let us see the second group of materials or commodities which belong to minerals, metals and fuels. This group includes commodities like metallic minerals, other minerals, basic metals, alloys and metal products, non-ferrous metals, metal products, non-metallic mineral products, mineral fuels. Let us see the individual items belonging to these categories. The following are the items. Under the category of metallic minerals, we have iron ore, manganese ore, bauxite, chromite, copper ore and zinc ores. The other minerals belonging to the other mineral category are limestone, fluorides, gypsum, fire clay, china clay or kaolin, dolomite, magnesite, asbestos, barytes, steatites, silica sand, phosphorides, ochre, vermiculite and sillimanite. Let us see the basic metals, alloys and metal products. The ferrous metals, iron and semi metals are sponge iron, pig iron, melting scrap, pencil ingots, billets, slabs, long steel rebars, rounds, wire rods, angles, joist and beams, rails, flat steel materials, plates, sheets, pipes and tubes of steel and welded pipes. Stainless steel and alloys are very important groups of commodities. Under this category we have steel rods, steel sheets, steel and other alloys. Castings and forgings are very important commodities. Under this we have iron castings, steel castings, die forging and stamping products. Under the ferro alloys category we have ferrochrome, ferromanganese and ferrosilicon. The non-ferrous metals include aluminum and aluminum products, which include aluminum ingots, aluminum coils or rolls, aluminum and alloys, aluminum castings, aluminum seals, aluminum foils and foil bags, aluminum pipes and tubes, aluminum utensils and aluminum wires. The other non-ferrous metals include copper, copper ingots, copper wires of all types, copper products other than wires, brass, zinc, lead, chromium, chrome, non-ferrous alloys, non-ferrous castings and non-ferrous forgings. A lot of metal products are also coming under the commodities. The following are the important metal products: gold and gold ornaments, silver, other metal wires and wire products, nuts, bolts, screws, washers, cylinders, cylinder liners, steel structures, steel balls, fabricated metal products, furnitures, fixtures, steel frames, metal molds and dies, pipes, tubes, rods, strips, cistern fittings, iron and steel, welding rods, metal containers, utensils, pressure cooker, chains, locks, safety helmets and other metal products. All of them are belonging to the category of metal products here. Let us see the non-metallic mineral products. Many of them are belonging to the structural clay products. These include bricks and tiles, polished granites, marbles, stone chips, crushed chips, finished chips and slabs. Glass, earthenware, chinaware and other products also belong to a separate category. These include glass bottles and laminated glass, fiberglass and glass sheets, toughened glass, pressed glassware, ophthalmic lens, glass vials, filter elements and porcelain crockeries. Cement and lime are very important commodities. Under this we have the grey cement, white cement, slag cement and lime. In addition to cement, we have slate and graphite products. These include graphite rods, graphite amorphous powder, graphite pencils, then asbestos, corrugated sheets, concrete poles, spun pipes and other cement products. The next category belongs to the mineral fuels. Under this we have the crude oil, which includes crude petroleum. The fuel and power related materials also include the coal related materials from coal mining, which includes coking coal, non-coking coal, coke and lignite. Mineral oils are also belonging to this, which we have liquefied petroleum gas LPG, petrol, kerosene, aviation turbine fuel, high speed diesel oil, bitumen and lubricants. Electricity is one important commodity which is classified into domestic, commercial, agricultural, railway traction and industrial groups. Though it is not a visible commodity, it is also coming under the classified list of commodities. Let us see the third group of commodities which belong to the manufactured food and other products. Under this category we have dairy products, canning, preserving and processing of food, grain mill products, bakery products, sugar, kansari and gur products, edible oils, tea and coffee processing, manufacture of common salts, other food products, beverages, tobacco and tobacco products, malt liquor, soft drinks and carbonated water, and manufacture of bidi, cigarettes, tobacco and zarda. Let us see the individual items belonging to these groups of commodities. The first one is the dairy products. Under the category of dairy products we have powdered milk, butter, ghee, ice cream, condensed milk, baby food, all kinds of baby food, skimmed milk powder, all belonging to the category. Canning, preserving and processing of food is yet another category in which we have canned fish, fish meal, processed prawn, canned meat and vegetable seeds. Grain mill products are also very important here. Under this we have maida, wheat flour, atta, suji, rice bran, wheat bran, beaten rice flakes and maize atta. The bakery products include breads and buns, biscuits, cakes and sweet rolls. Sugar, kansari and gur are very important category of commodities. Under this we have sugar, gur, bagasi, cocoa, chocolate sugar and confectionaries, sugar and sweet meat confectionaries. Under the category of edible oils we have hydrogenated vanaspati, rape and mustard seed oils, coconut oil, groundnut oil, cotton seed oil, rice bran oil, sunflower oil, soya bean oil and unrefined oil. Tea and coffee processing is yet another important industry where we have the commodities like tea leaf, tea dust, packed tea, unblended black tea leaf green, blended tea leaf green, processed tea and also coffee powder. In addition to these we have the manufacturing of common salts which are coming under a separate category of salts. The other food products include cattle feed and malted foods also. Under the category of beverages we have the wine industries, rectified spirit, Indian made foreign spirit and potable country liquor. In addition to that we have the malt liquor which includes beer and alcohol. The soft drinks and carbonated water category includes all kinds of soft drinks, aerated water, mineral water, soda based soft drinks and soft drink concentrates. The manufacture of bidi, cigarettes and tobacco and zarda products include bidi, cigarettes, zarda, scented dried tobacco, chewing tobacco and pan masala also. Let us see the fourth family of commodities which belong to the manufactured products. The manufactured products have 6 major categories as textiles, wood and wood products, paper and paper products, leather and leather products, rubber and plastic products, chemical and chemical products. Let us see the first one belonging to the group of textiles. This includes the first one cotton textiles which include cotton yarn hanks, cotton yarn cones and other cotton yarns. The cotton fabric includes cotton cloths which belong to the cotton cloth mills, long cloth or sheeting, dhotis, saris, cotton shirtings, cotton grey drills and jeans, cotton, grey cloth and canvas, cotton, grey cloth and miscellaneous cotton cloths. In addition to that, we have man-made textiles, which include man-made fibers. The materials belonging to this group include polyester staple fiber, viscose filament yarn, acrylic yarn, texturized yarn, nylon filament yarn, synthetic yarn, polyester yarn and viscose stable fiber. The man-made fabrics include the cloths which are having the following items: terry cotton shirtings, synthetic cloth dyed or printed, mixed fabrics, polyethylene fabrics and other synthetic fabrics. The woolen textiles are separate categories. It includes woolen yarn, woolen cloth, woolen carpets, woolen shawls and woolen sweaters. In addition to that, we have the jute, hemp and mista textiles, jute sacking cloth, jute sacking bags, jute yarns and gunny bags are belonging to this. The other miscellaneous textiles include cotton knitted garments, tire cords and tire cord fabrics. The next group of materials belong to wood and wood products. The first one is timber and wooden planks. Under this we have the sawn or resawn timber, wooden planks, sawn timber posts and squares. Under the processed wood category, we have processed or sized wood cuttings, wooden almirahs, wooden cabinets, wooden cupboards, wooden crates and packing boxes and wooden chairs. Plywoods and fiber boards are very important commodities. Under this we have plywood boards and insulation boards. In addition to that, we have the other groups of veneered particle boards and veneered woods. The paper and paper products are very important group of commodities. These include paper and pulp commodities, which include pulp, printing paper white, MG paper posters, craft paper and newsprint paper. Manufacture of boards belong to a separate category, which includes duplex boards, corrugated sheet boxes, paper curtains, Bristol paper boards, cardboards and other boards of all kinds. Printing, publishing of newspaper and periodicals are exclusive categories of commodities, in which we have newspaper, periodicals, journals, books, other printing and publishing items belong to this category. Let us see the leather and leather products. Under the leathers category, we have vegetable tanned leather, chrome tanned leather and leather shoe lining materials. Leather footwears are belonging to a separate group of commodities. Under the leather footwears category, we have leather footwears, leather safety boots, leather chappals, leather sandals, leather shoals and other leather footwears also belong to this. The other leather products include leather garments, leather jackets, leather bags, leather handbags, leather wallets, leather gloves and leather goods. Rubber and plastic products are separate family of commodities, in which we have the major category belonging to the tires and tubes. Tires, giant tires, motor tires, cycle tires, tractor tires, giant tubes and cycle tubes. Under the category of plastic products, we have plastic pipes, PVC pipes, plastic components or accessories, rigid PVCs, plastic or polythene bags, plastic films, plastic sheets, polythene plastic granules, plastic or PVC suitcases, plastic bottles, plastic cabinets, dot pen with refills, toothbrushes, plastic containers, plastic or PVC shoes, plastic syringes, polyester films, polyester chips, expandable polysterenes, plastic or PVC chapels, plastic rolls, polythene or PVC foams and polythene or PVC belts. Rubber products are separate family of products coming under the commodities, in which we have seamless tubes and pipes, rubber molded goods, rubber footwears, reclaimed rubbers, rubber components and parts, automobile rubber padding, rubber brakes, rubber transmission belts or conveyor belts and footballs. The chemicals and chemical products are a major group of commodities coming under this group. It has the following families of commodities: fertilizers and pesticides, paints, varnishes and lacquers, dyestuffs and indigo, drugs and medicines, perfumes, cosmetics and toiletries, turpentine and other chemicals, matches, explosives and other chemicals. Fertilizers are very important commodities. Under this we have urea, ammonium sulphate, nitrogen fertilizer, diammonium phosphates, dicalcium phosphates, organic manures and other fertilizers. We have separate category of commodities coming under pesticides. Under this we have endosulfan, cypermethrin, weedicides, insecticides and other pesticides. Paints, varnishes and lacquers are very important category of commodities. Under this we have paints, chemical colors, lacquers and varnishes, distemper, thinner and inks are belonging to this. Under the category of dyestuffs and indigo we have dyes, dye intermediaries, pigments and pigment intermediaries. Drugs and medicines are major family of commodities which we use today. Under the drugs and medicines category of commodities we have antibiotics, vitamins, vaccines, paracetamols, analgesics, antacids, gelatin capsules, Ayurvedic medicines and other medicines. Under the category of perfumes, cosmetics and toiletries we have toilet soap, washing powder, floor cleaners, bleaching powder, toothpaste, tooth powders, hair or body oils, perfumes, scents and creams, moisturizers, face powders, body powders and other flavored powders, shampoo, wax, shaving creams and hair dyes. These are major categories of materials consumed by people. Turpentine and plastic chemicals are very important categories of commodities. Under this category we have thermocol, oleoresins, adhesives, gums, turpentine oils, plastic chemicals. All of you are aware that matches, explosives and other chemicals are separate commodities. Under this we have safety matches, match boxes, explosives, agarbattis, photographic goods, castor oil. Each one of these commodity can be mapped geographically and analyzed statistically. So, every commodity is prepared in the form of distribution pattern maps in geography. In physical geography we study the natural processes and landforms. In economic geography we study the distribution pattern of economic minerals and their commodities. So, each one of these commodities which are coming under agricultural crops, manufactured commodities and mineral commodities are independently analyzed in geography with reference to their distribution in the state, with reference to their distribution in the country and with reference to the distribution in the whole globe. Let us see all of them while studying the subject geography.